Assalamu alaikum viewers, myself Abid Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel. Finally today I am going to excitedly announce in front of you that we have been part of Forever Living Products officially by purchasing our journey pack from Abu Dhabi office of Forever Living Products, and you are seeing this in front of you. This is the reception of Abu Dhabi office in Alfla Tower in Abu Dhabi. We entered and someone guided us that purchasing counter is on the first floor. So here you are seeing the first floor of the office. Here we are on the purchasing counter. We have paid the money for the pack, and our bill is being generated. After the generating of the invoice, they will hand over us the journey pack. So this is our invoice being stamped as paid and delivered, and now we are going to receive our journey pack. Shortly you will see in the video. So this is our journey pack. You are seeing start your journey combo pack. This is the first purchasing of our FLP 2cc 2 case credits, and this is the opening. You are seeing what we found in the box. So first of all is the items list, which the box consists of. These are the manual guides, two copies, introduction of the company and products and everything. This is the manual, and now we are going to see about the products. So these are the products. You are seeing these are forever aloe shampoo and conditioner and hand and body soap, and these are the Arctic Sea bottles. Down in the box you are seeing aloe vera gel, aloe berry nectars. So these are the products which we received in the pack.